Hey there, it's time for You Got This. Are you feeling like your kids have tons of things to play with, but they never want to play with them, or they don't even know what they have? Well, we came up with a really great idea this week that I thought I'd share. What we did is just rearrange some of our toys. And you would think that it was like having Christmas or a birthday because they were like, hey, I didn't know we had this toy, or where did this toy come from? And they were just pulling stuff out. So just by moving around toys in your house, super simple, super easy. And the best part is, get your kids to help. Then they're cleaning and organizing and they don't even know it. So the best part was I got them working. So that was a lot of fun and easy to do. So try that maybe this week if you're struggling with kids and what to do. It keeps them busy, helps organize your house, and lets them discover new things. And then what we did after that is we made a nice little chart here. And we divided it up into 4 categories. Art things that we have in our house, building things that come into our house, toys, and pretend kind of items, because my kids do love to play dress up. And then we made kind of an active category of things we might want to do outside. So we made a list to kind of help us remember what we found and what we have. And then that way we can check. And we almost are going to try it like a center kind of style. Pick something from building, maybe pick something from toys, pick something from pretend, pick something from art, and kind of rotate around. So it may be a good way to get use of all your toys, keep them having some voice and choice in what they do. And then, yeah, you'll be surprised when they discover things that they've had for a long time, but they didn't know you had it. So if you've ever seen Bad Mom's Christmas, it's like when she gives the glove to her kid again, and he's super excited, even though he's gotten it before. So definitely recommend this. Have a great week, and remember, you got this.